What's going on, guys? Chad here at Marinemax Jupiter. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on this beautiful Azimut 42 Verve. Meet me on the boat. So starting off the transom of this boat, I just want to point out that we are docked on the port side. Now you could dock on either side. With the engines trimmed up like what they are right now, it would be much easier to do a port side dock. If you have the engines down, you had to dock on the starboard side, you can actually walk through here when the engines are down. There's plenty of space through here. You also have your shore power cord over on the starboard side. We have it fed behind the engines here, going into our shore power. Working our way into the cockpit area. On the port here, we have a fold down door as well as a gate with the Azimut logo. Simply lift up and spin, you can close that. Now that we're into the cockpit area, you see this nice gray L-shaped wraparound seating, plenty of cup holders throughout, as well as some JL audio speakers. You got two back here. So that way you can have cup holders for your drinks, plenty of speakers to enjoy the music. Above our heads, we also have a sunshade here that will stick out. So whether you want it put away and enjoy the rays, like where we have it right now, or if you want a little sun coverage, you can put that out. Now the controls for the table and this fold down side and the compartment right here, we have our switches right here, table, TV, our awning, as well as a freshwater sprayer here. And that gets tucked away for a cleaner look. Now, we also do have this table here. This can be put all the way down and it merges into the ground beautifully, or we could leave it up just like what it is right now. We have multiple people sitting here. The L-shaped seating provides plenty of space around the table. People can still face each other and talk and have a conversation. And of course, we have this TV here. This can actually drop down into this compartment here, and then this counter space will be flush, so you won't even notice it. Now moving forward, we have our summer kitchen area here, nice countertop space. You lift this up, it's going to reveal two grills right here, great for those people who like to boat and cook and entertain. We have some countertop space here that you can use this as a cutting board, as well as a sink. Below this, you have some storage. You have your ice maker here. And on the other side, you have your fridge freezer combo, as well as some trash. What I really like about these Azimuts is just how sleek they look. Like all this countertop space blends in nicely. You can put the TV down, the table down, and really have that sleek look. Moving up to the helm here, we have 3 seats. They are electrically controlled to go forward and aft. The center one is. They're also bolstered. Whether you want bolster down for more leg space, you can have it up. You can sit a little bit higher up. Now, also, you can stand here and drive with the bolster up, or you can drop this down. You're going to gain another about 5 to 6 inches. You just get that much more space up here where you can like really see your view. I like to drive with this down. I'm about 6 foot myself, and even with this down, I still have several inches of headspace. Now at the helm, we have our Mercury throttles here. We have our Raymarine electronics, our Humphrey controls, as well as bow thruster and joystick. Having bow thruster and joystick for a 42-foot boat, you are going to have absolutely full control of this boat. Some features I like about the joystick: you get your sky hook for people who like the boat by themselves. They can appreciate that. When you're coming up to the dock, you can simply hit this, make sure your surroundings are clear. You can go and put your dock lines out as well as your fenders, as well as the heading hold here, essentially autopilot. That's really nice if you're going on a nice slow cruise, a sunset cruise. You can either lean or twist this to change the degree, either 1 or 10. We also have helm AC. It's summertime down here in Florida. It's very hot. That's a nice feature to have. This helm AC feels great. As well as some cup holders up here. Above my head, we have some of our controls here with a nice acrylic backing. The Azimut logo right here. Beautiful touch. You can walk around up to the front on the starboard side. It'd be a lot easier on the port side. It is possible on the side. But over on the port side, we have our walk through. Now with this, you're a lot more secure in the boat. We have 2 steps up. You have this nice stainless steel grab railing. Going the full length of the bow here, we have this beautiful sun pad. Multiple people can lounge out here. You can also lift these up. And have 2 settings that you can adjust them to. You can lounge out. Plenty of space here for you and your friends to enjoy this beautiful view. We also have 3 more speakers up here in the front, as well as storage underneath the seats. Really unique look up here. So whether you want to be up on that sun pad or down inside the boat a little bit more, enjoying your view. Maybe you're pulled up to the sandbar or dock. I personally love hanging out on boats when they're even at the dock. You can sit here with your friends, enjoy yourself. Maybe you're over in the Bahamas at the dock, having some drinks up here at the end of the day, enjoying the view, really enjoying the company. Now meet me down below to finish out this walkthrough video. So now that we're down in the cabin of the boat, we have the door open here. You can see it lets in some natural lighting. We have plenty of storage over on the port side here, all these little cupboards, as well as your ignition over here. You have your ignition switches here to here, access to your shore power generator, and your start-stop here for your house batteries. You have your Fusion radio right here. There are some speakers down here in the boat, so that way you don't have to go all the way up the stairs. Maybe if the door closed, you can keep the air conditioning down here, control your music right there. And over here on the port side, we have this beautiful matte black countertop space. Love how Azimut just continues this sleek look down here. The knobs for all of the cabinets, you just simply press on them, the knob will come out. You can open it up. We have our trash can system here, as well as more storage. We have our TV remotes in here currently. We have another fridge freezer combo. This one has blue LED lights in it. Beautiful touch by Azimut. Some cool lighting. We also have an oven here, as well as a hot top and a sink. There's more storage behind the sink here. Plenty of space for entertaining, cooking, and a nice cooler for your drinks. Now, looking back, we have our aft bedroom here. Plenty of space for a couple, or maybe the kids. There's some cabinets down there, as well as some lighting. They have their own AC controls down here, light switches. We have a TV over here on the port side, as well as some storage over here on the starboard. And this one actually has a safe in here combo. And for the readers, we have a light that you can adjust. And over here on the starboard side, we have our head. Now in the head, we have its own shower, as well as the head and sink. It's more real nice matte black countertop. This beautiful sink by Azimut. Light switches behind the toilet. Plenty of headspace in the shower here. We have the spare you can hold on to, as well as a rain shower above my head. Lighting in here. Now working our way forward, we have another berth area here. Now this is a filler cushion in the middle. It's converted into the bed right now. Plenty of space for a couple up here as well. So you can have one couple up here, one couple aft. There is some storage over here on the port side, as well as your own AC controls over here. Some more storage over here on the port. We also have windows on both port and starboard, so you can see outside of the boat with port holes here if you wanted to get some fresh air down here. There's also a curtain that you can drop down, or a shade that you can drop down over the windows to stop the daylight from coming in. Also, over here on the starboard side, there's this beautiful, huge mirror here. Nice for anyone who wanted to check on themselves in the mirror. Also, to be able to separate this front bedroom area from back, or even this cooking area, there is, undo this Velcro, and there is a drop-down shade here as well, so this can be fully sealed off. And that's going to conclude this walkthrough video on this Azimut 42 Verve. You can call in today, come in and see us, and don't forget to ask for Chad.